Life moves fast. Every day pulls us in 1,000 directions. Work, family, responsibilities, and the constant pressure to keep achieving. We tell ourselves we have to keep running, keep proving, keep pushing forward. But what if your greatest strength comes not from doing more, but from simply being still? What if stillness is not just rest, but where the real growth happens? Stillness is not giving up. It's a conscious choice to quiet your mind, breathe deeply, and remember who you are underneath the noise. It's where you find clarity. It's where you reconnect to yourself. Over this session, I invite you to let go of everything pulling at you. Let your shoulders drop, breathe a little deeper, be here, fully here, and discover the peace that comes when you stop trying to force and start trusting. You don't need all the answers today. You just need to trust that each step forward, no matter how small, is carrying you closer to where you're meant to be. Take several slow breaths. Feel your body sink deeper into stillness. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Let the rhythm of your breath anchor you here. Chapter 1. The Illusion of Control. We all love to believe we're in control. We make plans. We set goals. We map out every detail. And then life reminds us, we are not in charge. The truth is, no matter how carefully we plan, we can't control everything. Control can feel comforting, but often it's just fear in disguise. Fear of the unknown, fear of letting go, fear of what might happen if we stop pushing. But here's the truth. The tighter you hold on, the less open you are to what's truly meant for you. Letting go of control doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop fighting what's already unfolding. The detours you resist may hold the very lessons you need most. The closed doors you mourn may have been protecting you from what isn't right. Release your grip. Trust the current to carry you, even when it feels like nothing's working. Trust that life is still working for you behind the scenes in ways you can't yet see. Picture yourself floating on a gentle river. The water knows the way. You don't need to paddle frantically, just trust the flow. Notice how your body feels lighter as you stop resisting. Pause. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, whisper to yourself, I release what I can't control. Repeat that phrase a few times if it helps. Chapter 2. The Strength in Stillness. We live in a world that glorifies hustle. We're taught that our value comes from how busy we are, how much we accomplish. But real strength is found in stillness. Stillness helps you hear the quiet truths you've been too busy to notice. It helps you see what truly matters and what doesn't. It reconnects you to your purpose. Even a few minutes of stillness each day can change everything. One long, intentional breath. One quiet pause before reacting. That's where peace begins. That's where you regain your power. The next time you feel overwhelmed, choose stillness instead. Sit quietly, breathe deeply, and remember, clarity comes not from chaos, but from calm. Visualize a calm lake at sunrise. The water is glassy, perfectly still. In that stillness, everything becomes clear. Feel yourself becoming like that lake, peaceful, reflective, undisturbed. Take several slow, deliberate breaths here. Feel yourself grounded. This is where you reclaim your power. Chapter 3. Trusting what's beneath the surface. Growth often begins where no one can see it, not even you. Just like a seed beneath the soil, your progress may be hidden at first. But hidden does not mean absent. This is your season of rooting, of laying the foundations for who you're becoming. Even when you can't see the evidence yet, trust that you're changing. Every step you take now, even the small unseen ones, is planting seeds you'll harvest later. Believe that the work you're doing matters. Even if it feels like nothing is happening, something always is. You are becoming more of yourself with every quiet, patient day. Close your eyes now. Imagine yourself as that seed, resting in warm soil. Feel your roots stretching down, your stem preparing to rise. Trust that this hidden work is necessary, and you are right where you're meant to be. Take another deep breath and feel that quiet confidence settling into you. Chapter 4. Releasing Comparison. Comparison robs you of joy. It whispers that you're behind, that you're not enough, that someone else's success means you've failed, but none of that is true. Your journey is yours alone. Nobody else has walked your story. Nobody else can define your timing. Nobody else can determine your worth. When you let go of comparison, you free yourself to see your own progress more clearly, to celebrate your own wins, even the small, quiet ones. You remember that your season is coming at just the right time. Take another breath. Imagine what it feels like to drop the weight of comparison, to walk your own path at your own pace. That freedom is waiting for you. Repeat softly to yourself, "My path is mine alone. My timing is perfect." Feel the tension of comparison melt away. Chapter 5. Choosing patience. Patience is not passive. It is an act of courage. It's choosing to keep showing up even when the results are invisible. It's trusting that every moment of effort is building something bigger than you can see right now. Good things take time to grow. Lasting things take time to build. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with the process. Trust that what's meant for you is already on its way. Even when it feels slow, even when you're tempted to quit, keep going. You are farther along than you think, and you are already becoming who you are meant to be. Pause here. Place your hand over your heart. Feel its steady beat. That rhythm is your reminder. You are still here. You are still growing. You are still becoming. Chapter 6. The gifts of the waiting. Waiting is never wasted. Every quiet moment, every setback, every delay, they're all shaping you. They're teaching you resilience. They're preparing you for what's next. One day, you'll look back and see that even the hardest seasons were building your strength, your faith, your character. Nothing is ever truly lost. Every moment has its place. Trust that this season has a purpose. Trust that someday you'll understand why it unfolded the way it did. Even now, you're being prepared for the blessings ahead. Take another breath. Inhale patience. Exhale worry. Say quietly, "The waiting is working for me." Let that truth sink in. Chapter 7. Being here now. We spend so much time looking ahead or looking back that we forget to live right here, right now. But this moment is all you have, and it is enough. Breathe. Notice the little joys. Feel your feet on the ground. Hear your own heart beating. This moment is where peace lives. This is where your strength grows. You don't have to rush. You don't have to force. Everything you need for your next step will come when it's meant to. You are not behind. You are not lost. You are here, and you are enough. Repeat softly, "I am here. I am enough. This moment is enough." Feel yourself rooted in the present. Closing. Take one final deep breath. Soften your shoulders. Let go of everything you've been carrying. Trust the process. Trust yourself. Even now, you are growing. Even now, you are becoming. Even now, you are enough. Everything you've been hoping for is already finding its way to you. Stay patient. Stay present. Keep walking your path, one steady step at a time. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Come back to this stillness whenever you need it, and always remember, what's meant for you will always find you. Always. You are exactly where you need to be, right here, right now.